Hi guys, Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box that I got from Glam box. So if you're ready to see that, stay tuned. And here it is. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I don't want you to do it. Shoot up, up. So we have Beauty Creations Gel Eyebrow, long lasting gel eyebrow. I'm probably gonna give this away because I have black hair and this is light brown, I think. Yeah, it's a light brown, so I can't use it. So I might put this in a future giveaway if I have one. Next thing we have is a Mellow Gel Shimmer Waterproof 12-hour liquid like eye pencil, and it's in the color Lightning Gleam. And having a little trouble opening it. Oy. It's in a silver, so that's really pretty and it's super smooth. I got a pack of 5 pairs of lashes. I love lashes. I don't have any eyelash glue right now, so I'm gonna have to go out and get some. Then we got some of this J-Cat shimmer powder. I've never used this stuff before, so let's open this up and see what it's like. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it makes you shiny. And then the last thing in it is this palette. And this palette is called the Femme Fatale from Amore USA, or More Us. Ooh, I just ripped up packaging. I don't like ripping my packaging. I have their Bubble Pop shadow, and I love that one. So let's get this open. That's what the packaging looks like. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So let's swatch some of these. Let's do Siren, which is like, I'm guessing it's like a shimmery purple. Influential, Gemstone, and that's Gemstone, that's Influential, and let's do a matte in the color Fever. So this is Siren. That's like a hypnotic purple almost. I really like that. Then there's Influential. Then there's Gemstone. Then there's Fever, which is the matte shade. And as you can see why I love these palettes. There's a few pressed glitters. I'll put some on my finger to show you. Like, look at that. Like, And that's all for this bag. I really like Slay Glam Box. They're one of my favorite companies. I just really like them, and all the colors in this box are Poise, Natural, Darling, Earthy, Clever, Passion, Classy, Aura, Siren, Sensuous, Lure, Hypnotic, Lovely, Glow, Kinky, Man-Eater, Fervor, Fever, Flush, Sweet, Fierce, Influential, Play, Artful, Blazing, Charm, Obsession, Deadly, Craze, Complex, Independent, and Gemstone. And it says that all the different ones are matte, metallic, duochromatic, shimmer matte, glitter, and foil. I really like duochromes because they're just like super nice. Like, they look like different colors where you're looking at them. Like, if you look at it one way, it's pink, and then another way, it's purple. Anyway, if you liked my video, please stay tuned for future videos. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, follow me on other platforms, chat with me. Anyway, bye everybody.